Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this self-priming portable utility pump. This is actually like a transfer pump, and this thing is heavy duty. It is cast iron. It does have brass fittings that they send you with, as well as some replacement bushings if you need to ever replace those up in here in the motor. You do have a priming inlet, although they've sealed that shut because this is a self-priming, and you do have really nice threaded inlets here. They don't provide you with the threaded tape. I've gone ahead and put some of that on there just to ensure that that's not going to leak. But basically what this does is this will actually put this in here and get this set up for a standard size garden hose. This is actually a really nice transfer pump because it actually can pull up to 25 feet. So if you're going to be pulling up like from say a pond or something like that, maybe for irrigation purposes, you can easily pull up 25 feet. And this thing will actually produce up to 1,350 gallons per minute out of the transfer. So what I've done is I've kind of set up a little fake pond over here just to assume that I've got a pond there. This actually sits on these rubberized feet that's on here, and they are labeled with an in and an out on the in and the outside of this. So we're going to go ahead and get that tied in here. And then I've gone ahead and attached another garden hose, for example, if I was going to be watering something there. I've got that. Now, it does have a really nice, looks like about a 10-foot power cord, actually about a 12-foot power cord that you do have to plug in. So I'll go ahead and provide a power and we'll get this thing turned on here. Look at it go. I mean, you can see this is just pulling out of this, and that's providing a lot of pressure. So if you're going to be using this to maybe wash a car, pulling this out of a stationary out of the back of a truck, or maybe even emptying a swimming pool, this is going to provide a lot of nice water that you can easily use to transfer. This is not extremely loud. It's definitely audible, but definitely not extremely loud, so that's really nice. And the rubberized feet will help keep that grounded. But I'm impressed with the amount of water that that's actually putting out. So this is actually a really nice pump. Thank you guys again for sending it.